advisories in effect. For the KZZ65 listening area, a wind advisory remains in effect until 4 p.m. for the following counties: McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford. Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford. Timing: 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. this afternoon. Winds south to southwest winds of 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts to around 45 miles an hour will be common across central and eastern Illinois today. The following impacts are expected. Very strong winds will create difficult driving conditions, especially on east-west oriented roadways, such as Interstate 74 and Interstate 72. High-profile vehicles will also be impacted. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of at least 30 miles an hour or gusts of at least 45 miles an hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. You are listening to NOAA Weather.